Uncle Cuddy did this. You see who doing them now, ain't it? Exactly. Yes, sir. Let's get it up in the air, y'all. Cut y'all back on. Alright?
Got a Cutlass from '84. It's the OG ride. Pillow top seats, baby, where we slide. Flat screen chilling in the back, so fine. Call my car Sparrow, it's always on time. We ride behind tent, can't see inside. Windows up high where we love to glide. Sparrow flying through the city lanes wide. Feel the breeze while we take this ride. The hood chrome shining like gold. Old school beauty never gonna get old. Bumping tunes, late night stories unfold. In the Sparrow we got tales untold. We ride behind tent, can't see inside. Windows up high where we love to glide. Sparrow flying through the city lanes wide. Feel the breeze while we take this ride.
Alright, y'all. For the job right, you gotta take this start off. Hey, you need a 13 millimeter socket, right? You need a 13 millimeter socket. Hey, you need a flashlight. And don't forget your safety. Hey, you need your safety glasses too. Make sure you keep them on, boy. Hey, you don't want nothing to go in your eye while you're under there. You hear me? Alright? So you need a 13 millimeter socket. You can either use a ratchet or you, hey, listen what I got. Hey, listen, hey, let me show you. Hey, you can get one of these impacts. Hey, we'll get you that 13 millimeter socket. Let me show y'all what else I got, y'all. Let me show y'all. Hey, don't worry about me. Hey, I'm ready. I'm about to get this joint done. Hey, that's all you need right here. We don't need this socket on there, boy. Hey, that's all you need right here. Hey, and if you're handy, get one of these right here. Yes, sir. Hey, let's get this off. Let go. Hey, nephew. Hey, let me hold that creeper you got down there, boy, cause I can't leave on my back on the ground now. Let me hold that creeper. Hey, I need a creeper. Bring me the creeper. Man, where don't think he going with this? This weak behind flashlight, bro. This joint don't even cut on. See? I can't see you. You know why? Cause it don't work. It works, but it's dead. Trash. Man, guess what we got? Yes, sir. Y'all see it. MyOTHEMO 230 degree LED headlamp. Yes, sir. Let's bust it open and see what we look like. Okay. Got some bubble wrapping for protection. There go the headlamp. Come with a, what is it, USB-C charging cord. Comes with instructions. Yes, sir. And a headlamp. Yes, sir. Y'all see the LED strip on the side, in the front. Got a flashlight on the side. Yes, sir. Stretch. Adjustable. Yes, sir. This is how you cut it on. You got a power. Cut it on. Alright. Let's see what it look like. Uh-oh. That's bright. Come with 5 different modes, man. That's big. That joker bright in the daytime. You can see the script. Yes, sir. See the red script. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But let me show you another cool feature about it, right? Put it on. See? Fit my head, right? Yes, sir. Hands free. Let's cut it on right quick. Alright. Y'all see my head on? Alright. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Hey, it's daylight out here and you still see this jump shining in this camera. Don't lie. Alright? So it's another button on the side, right? Alright, y'all, let me show y'all this cool feature of it. Let me show y'all. Y'all see the light on, right? No hands. Hey, then cut it. Hit it back again. Motion. Yes, sir. Shout out to MyOTHEMO. Shout out to MyOTHEMO, man. Yes, sir, man. Hey, run over and get y'all one, man. Y'all know the link gonna be in the description, man. Appreciate your MyOTHEMO. Hey, we gotta get back to work. Well, I gotta let him borrow my brand new headlamp. Appreciate y'all, though. Let's get it. Hey, talk all that trash, you should have been given to me. Boy, in the game out here in the streets, yeah, in the cut every day making beats. Yeah, hey, man, let's get back to work, y'all. Y'all see it. Oh, look at that. Hey, boy, yes, sir, boy. Yes, sir. Hey, shout out MyOTHEMO. Nephew, hey, what you call him? MyOTHEMO? Hey, see, I'm messing them up. Hey, MyOTHEMO. Y'all see it. Hey, but y'all see it, bro. Hey, let's get to work. Boy, yeah, boy. Hey, boy, never done work me today, boy. I got that starter off on too. But y'all see him. Boy, the starter little boy, the top of some LS. But y'all see them small block, them Lord. With my 307, but I'm gonna bring him my starter. I'm gonna bring him my starter, alright. But yeah, boy, hey, I got them all for him, man. Hey, this is the end for me, boy. I'm about to go to a house. Boy, hey, this is the end for me. I can't work no more today. Yes, sir, I need to get me a cold one. And boy, I'm about to put it. I'm gonna lay it down. See what the end gonna be. You hear me? I'll see y'all next time. Alright? Y'all see my light. I should take this home with me. Y'all think he'll know if I put him in my pocket? Huh? Look at it. Look at it. Yes, sir. I'm out, y'all. Hey, I'll holler at y'all later. Peace. Hey, now, I'm gonna holler at you, boy. I gotta go to the elbow. Yes, sir. Holler at you, boy. I gotta give me something cool to drink. You ain't got nothing cool to drink in it? But hey, I ain't think so. Hey, I'm gonna holler at you, though. Alright? See you later. Alright. Dark, you can't see the seats, they'll swap cutlass. I call a sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car sparrow on the damn move again.